Good morning. As you can tell, it is a very wet morning today. I've been at this price chopper, or I've been sleeping, staying, camping at this price chopper for the last like 3 weeks or so. And it's time to go. I feel like I'm intruding a little bit. The thing is, I don't know where to go. I have no direction. My original plan was to go into Maine and spend some time in Acadia. However, for the past couple of days, I felt like I needed a reset. Honestly, like after hiking Mount Washington, that was the pinnacle of this New England trip. So I think I'm gonna head down south. I'm probably gonna make a pit stop in North Carolina. Actually, I am gonna make a pit stop in North Carolina. I'm gonna stay with my friend for a week-ish, maybe a week and a half. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So this is gonna be a travel vlog. I need food first though, and get water. Okay, now I'm just rambling. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm back. I got Wendy's. And I think I've been sleeping on Wendy's. It hasn't really been my first choice of fast food. However, it's a whole lot cheaper than other places. And I'm also trying their ice pumpkin cold brew foam thing. Oh, wow, that is artificial. All right, I'm gonna eat and then yeah, we'll start heading south. Always a good feeling when you can fill up your tank in under $50. However, gas stations with no restrooms, what is the point? Anyways, Walmart to the rescue. I'm back. There was what looks like, okay, hold on. I can't talk and reverse out at the same time. The bathroom was gross. There was what looked like an adult diaper in the trash. I walked in and it smelled a little funny. I was like, what is that smell? And as I was washing my hand, I looked into the trash. It was a diaper full of shit. I was like, all right, that's fantastic. Anyways, I'm gonna go to a corner in this Walmart parking lot to make a wrap for lunch. Okay, we got burrito wrap, rotisserie chicken, which, by the way, I don't understand why I've never just bought a whole rotisserie chicken and shred it myself, because it's way cheaper than what I've been doing, and then storing it in like the reusable silicone bag. Anyways, coleslaw, bacon, teriyaki sauce, and then this black truffle hot sauce, which is okay. I wish I had sriracha, but I haven't been able to find sriracha for pretty much like 2 months now, so I've given up. That's a lie. I have to go to an Asian grocery store to get it. I would have recorded it, but it's kind of awkward doing it in my car. But now we have a bacon chicken teriyaki wrap. And we're back. We are fed, we're feeling good, and now we need some coffee. Actually, espresso. I have made the executive decision to drive pretty late into the night tonight because I want to get the bulk of the driving done. So for that to happen, I need caffeine. Ooh, okay, 4:30, back on the road. Hi, it's about 4.5 hours later, and I just stopped to get some more gas. But I am having the worst luck with bathrooms at gas stations. This one in particular, somebody's in the bathroom, and I waited outside for like 15 minutes, and they still weren't finished. So I'm just gonna head to camp for the night. I think it's at a trailhead parking lot. Here's hoping it works out. I just got to the parking lot, and now that I'm here, I'm not too sure about this spot. There was a sign that says it was 24-hour surveillance, so I guess it's safe. But I just feel like it's gonna be a gamble. And you know what? That's just how it be sometimes. But I'm tired. I'm just gonna probably watch an episode of the new season of Elite and then head to bed. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. Another very successful night at a random pull-off on the side of the road. I have about 5.5 hours of driving left. Gotta get going, but first, breakfast and coffee. So I'm headed to a place called the Eden Center, which is a shopping area or a shopping complex in Arlington that has a bunch of Vietnamese shops, bakeries, and restaurants. And I think there's also a supermarket there. So first order of business is finding sriracha, and then I'm gonna get some Vietnamese coffee and hopefully find a bakery that's open and get some snacks. Breakfast. Yikes. Hi, can I get a bánh mì thịt nướng, please? Yeah. All right, we got the goods. I only got a few things because I got overwhelmed and there were just too many choices. So I got things that I knew I was gonna like. Okay, they don't have great packaging, but the Vietnamese coffee. If you never had Vietnamese coffee before, seek it out. I also got myself a bánh mì for breakfast because why not? And then something called soy, which is sort of like just sweetened rice. But yeah, I'm gonna go find a spot to park and eat. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm literally still in the same parking lot. I just moved a little bit, but yeah. A bánh mì on its own is good enough. However, oh, fuck, I missed this. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the bánh mì is good enough on its own. However, I like to add in Maggi seasoning and sriracha. It takes it to a whole new level. And honestly, as a kid, I used to just eat bread or the baguette with Maggi seasoning and sriracha sauce. And that would just be a meal on its own. So I'm so excited for this. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and then hit the road. I just made it to my friend's place and I gotta pee. Crisis averted. My friend is not here. He hates me because this man literally went overseas to avoid seeing me and hanging out with me. And you know what else is funny? I left the Northeast because I wanted to escape the gloomy weather. And what am I greeted with when I got to North Carolina? Rain. More gloomy weather. But it is supposed to be clear the rest of the week. So I think we're a-okay. And with that being said, I am starving. So I'm actually gonna be able to cook something other than soup for the last month. I'm kidding. But I'm gonna cook. So what am I making? We're going with the classic, something easy because I'm too tired. Noodles, cabbage, rotisserie chicken, the hack. We got onions, garlic, and then I think I'm gonna do sriracha and teriyaki sauce. I just realized I forgot to put in the vegetables, but it's fine. You really can't go wrong with a stir-fry noodle dish. Anywho, it's been a long ass couple of days, so I'm gonna enjoy this food, clean up, and probably just relax and get ready for bed. So, I'll see you guys later. Sup? I want to show you guys something. Sun. So one of the reasons why I left the Northeast was because it was pretty much overcasted the entire time I was there, and I wanted sun. And the other reason I mentioned was that I wanted to have a little reset before I continue on my journey. So today I'm gonna clean my car, deep clean my car. First, I'm gonna take everything out, well, almost everything. What this is. It's not mine. This isn't everything, but can you guys believe all this stuff fits in that? Let me just give you guys a closer look. It doesn't look too terrible. Well, it is kind of bad, but you can see all of Duke's hair that's still in there. And then the other side is a little bit worse. First, we're gonna vacuum. Already looks a whole lot better. That is the best I can do with this particular vacuum. I think it's pretty good. Time to wipe. So I cleaned pretty much everything that I could to the best of my ability with the stuff that I have. So it's time to put all this shit back. And we're done for the most part. I still need to clean out my fridge, and then that's pretty much it. With that being said, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. I just dropped off some kids. Oh God, if I ever get a house, I'm never, ever getting a 2-story house.
I don't have hands. Hold on. Oh, my knee.